A recent episode of Hustlers Corner puts a music manager in hot waters after anti-white racist remarks. South African Human Rights Commission heads to Equality Court as the remarks made by Nota. The South African Rights Commission considered them as racist. Nota and DJ Sbu were discussing why black South Africans find it difficult to live with white South Africans. A statement from the South African Human Rights Commission sparked mixed emotions on X, as many rallied behind Nota and that he was not being racist, but expressed his opinion on the division in South Africa. Nota expressed his frustrations after South African Human Rights Commission heads to Equality Court.
White people have no moral authority to lecture any black person about racism. There's no white person that has got any moral authority to lecture me about racism.
The Commission has deemed the remarks as discriminatory and harmful and is seeking relief from the Equality Court. The South African Human Rights Commission has ordered Nota to issue a public apology, do diversity and sensitivity training, do community service, also pay monetary fine.
Us, yabo, vele now, like, they're not dominating as before, and vele they're not gonna dominate in the next 5 to 10 years, because you can see from the last 2 to 3 years they were like maybe in a few to like a quarter. No, they're below the quarter. So
South African's Human Rights Commission, Baloyi's statement constitutes hate speech, which is prohibited under South African law. Hence, he was put in court after an investigation after his anti-white comments, which were found to be prima facie case of hate speech. Parabams and to UTM social media.